Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Legally Speaking. In today's video, we are going to practice some MCQs for judiciary examination. You must be aware that the syllabus for judiciary examination, whether lower judiciary or high judiciary, is very vast. Subjects like Constitution Law, BNS, Transfer of Property Act, BNSS, etc. are the most commonly asked in both preliminary and mains exam. This video is a part of series where I will be covering the most important MCQs of all important subjects. Let's start. Question number 1. Under the Civil Procedure Code, the number of days for which a caveat remains operative after its filing. Option A 15 days, option B 30 days, option C 90 days, option D 60 days. The correct answer is option C 90 days. Now next question. Question number 2. The Supreme Court was set up under option A the Regulating Act 1773, option B Regulating Act 1881, option C Pitt's India Act 1772 or option D Indian Council Act 1187. The correct answer is option A Regulating Act 1773. Next question. Which office has not been omitted by the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023? Option A Assistant Session Judge, option B Metropolitan Magistrate, option C Additional Session Judge or option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C. The office of Additional Session Judge has not been omitted by Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Now next question. Who first coined the term international law? Option A Hugo Grotius, option B Jeremy Bentham, option C Samuel Pufendorf or option D Emmerich D. Weitel. Correct answer is option B Jeremy Bentham, although Hugo Grotius is also called the father of international law. Question number 5. Government can claim absolute immunity from disclosure on grounds of international security. Option A yes, option B no, option C depends on the factual situation or option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B no. The government cannot claim absolute immunity from disclosure on ground of national security. Next question. Question number 6. The evidence as to a document with an unmeaning reference to existing facts is called A. Patent ambiguity, B. Latent ambiguity, C. Admissible evidence or D. Immaterial evidence. The correct answer to this question is option B. Latent ambiguity. Question number 7. Which interest cannot be transferred? Option A surrender of lease, option B mortgage, option C gift or option D sell or sale. The correct answer is option A surrender of lease is the interest which cannot be transferred. Question number 8. According to the Supreme Court rulings, the renewal of lease is option A new lease, option B continuation of old lease, option C cannot be made before the expiry of the old lease or option D none of the above. The correct answer is according to the Supreme Court's ruling, the renewal of a lease is a new lease. Question number 9. Who has described jurisprudence as the lawyer's extraversion? Option A Julius Stone, option B W. Friedman, option C H.L.A. Hart or option D John Austin. To solve these types of questions, you must be good at jurisprudence. The correct answer is option A Julius Stone. Next question, question number 10. In Transfer of Property Act, rights and liabilities of mortgagee is provided under, you have to tell the section. Option A Section 55 to 57, option B Section 61 to 65, option C Section 67 to 77 or option D Section 78. Question for asking particular section is very important for PCS examination. The correct answer is there are 10 sections, section 67 to 77, which provides for rights and liabilities of a mortgagee under TPA Act. Question number 11. Is violation of the principles of separation of powers a ground to declare a legislation as unconstitutional? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, the issue is yet to be settled by the Supreme Court. Or option D, none of the above. Guys, please tell me if I should cut down the time duration for answering and add more questions to the video. The correct answer is option A, yes. Yes, if any legislation is violating the principles of separation of power, then it can be declared unconstitutional. Question number 12. Which of the following objections is not covered under section 21 of the Civil Procedure Code? A. Territorial, B. Pecuniary, C. Subject matter, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C, subject matter. The territorial and pecuniary are covered under section 21. Question number 13. Which constitutional amendment reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? Option A, 42nd Amendment. Option B, 71st Amendment. Option C, 61st Amendment. Or option D, 81st Amendment. Please like the video and comment for part 2. This helps me a lot in creating more videos. The correct answer is option C, 61st Amendment. This amendment reduced the voting age from 21 years to 18 years. It was made in the year 1988. Next question. How many kinds of punishments are prescribed under BNS, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita? Option A, 3, option B, 5, option C, 4, or option D, 6. If you know the answer, you can write down the names of those punishments, but if you don't, I will explain after this answer. The correct answer is option D, 6. There are 6 types of punishment. The new added one is community service. The rest you all know: death, imprisonment for life, rigorous imprisonment, simple imprisonment, forfeiture of property, and fine. The only added new punishment is community service, which is provided under BNS. It is in section 4 clause F. It is for petty offences. Last question of this video. Question 15. Hurt is designated as grievous when any hurt endangers life or causes the sufferer to be in severe bodily pain during the space of or during the time of dash as per section 116H of BNS. Your options are option A, 5 days, option B, 10 days, option C, 15 days, or option D, 20 days. The correct answer is option C, 15 days. Hurt and grievous hurt is different. A hurt is converted into grievous hurt when the sufferer has severe bodily pain for a time being of 15 days. This was part 1. Rest of the questions will be in part 2. Thanks for watching guys. Please support me and subscribe for more.